Hello everyone, Laura Talks is back. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell button. So today we're going to looking at how to expand sentences and how to make them more interesting. So for children usually that could be a bit tricky because they find hard to understand what the sentence is. So they usually ended up writing and then or and or kind of the sentence is never ending and stretches up to 3 and 4 lines. So if you would provide the child with a very basic sentence and then you can start building up from there. So today I have like small sentence starters. At school sometimes they call them fronted adverbials or adverbial phrases. So it's like without a sound, before sunrise, with a great enthusiasm and glowing with pride. And then I have an adjective bank, like different words, tiny, massive, cute, peculiar, spiky, and all those little things. So now my sentence is very basic. You can see the boy ran across the grass. So it's very simple and basic. So now you're always straight away going to say, okay, let's pick the sentence starter which makes sense. So we know it's the boy and is running across the grass. So what kind of fronted adverbial or sentence starter you might use? So now, for example, I will pick here with a great enthusiasm. It's quite an interesting one. So I will just write it down there straight away with a great enthusiasm. And then we put a comma because the sentence started separated with a comma. Now, the boy, we can describe the boy. So what kind of boy? So you can, if you don't have enough words in your word bank, the child might come up with his own. So you can say the cute. What else can we say about the boy? The cute, tiny boy. Or they can come up with something might be secretive, they're naughty. Boy ran. How did ran across the grass? And then if you want, you can even describe the grass. What kind of is it? Spiky grass? Is emerald green grass? Is overgrown grass? And that would be one sentence done. And can you see from a short sentence we ended up having a much longer one. And then we can go to the next one. The granny was sitting on a chair. And what do we do? Might be before sunrise, yeah? Or without a sound, yeah? So you can pick anyone. So if you do before sunrise, comma. Now, what kind of granny? How can you describe? So might be old, wrinkly granny, yes? Or maybe the child can come up with something else, yes? So just let them explore granny, and then we're sitting on a chair and you can describe the chair on a chair. It could be an old chair, it could be any chair, to be honest. Yeah, anything. I hope that was useful and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.